Welcome to this session of Go Ask Debbie. Today we'll talk about Excel autofill.
Excel has a handy feature called autofill. You can automatically fill cells with data that follow a pattern or series that are automatically built into Excel, or you may create your own. So we'll select a cell and type the first word of the series. For example, with data that we have here, we'll type in January for a 12-month series. We'll select the fill handle at the lower right corner of the cell. Hold down and drag to fill the rest of the series. And now see how it automatically adds January, February, March, April, etc. Excel understands that we are looking for the months of the year. If you only enter a 3-letter abbreviation, such as JAN for January, autofill will automatically fill in the rest of the series with the 3-letter digits of the months.
Thanks for watching this session of Go Ask Debbie. For more tips, tricks, and how-to videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you're notified each time I upload a new tutorial.